Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? So I just wanted to give you guys all a quick update on what's been going on behind the scenes with the channel. I'm not dead. I'm just slow to post my videos because life is busy. Life gets in the way. You know, I've got kids. I'm a husband, a father. I've got a small video production business that I run on the side. I got my actual job, you know, so there's a lot of stuff going on that you don't necessarily see. And then, of course, I like to focus on quality, not quantity. So I apologize if you want more videos from me. I just don't have the time, but I like to focus on quality. So with that being said, I apologize for the quality of this video, which I'm filming on my iPhone. So just give me a break because I don't want to go downstairs to my studio and set up all the lights and do all that. Just give me a break. Just give me a break, okay? Just give me a break. So, all right. So with all that being said, I want to tell you guys that I'm working on a review of the LG V50 Thin Q. And I have an unboxing of that upcoming here in the probably next week, and then the full review of that to follow. And then I have a review of the Fossil Q Hybrid Smartwatch Machine Stainless Steel Edition upcoming. And this thing's awesome, by the way. I love it. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. And then there's the usual suspects, you know, like the Galaxy Note 10, the Pixel 4, the iPhones, you know, those are all upcoming, you know, in due time. So, and if you guys ever have any ideas, any thoughts, stuff you want me to review, just leave that in the comment section of this video, or I guess any video really. And I check out the comments all the time, so I'll definitely talk with you guys down there. So, but with all that being said, I just want to say I love you guys. Thank you so much for the community that we're building here. I love it. You guys are so fun to talk to. You guys are amazing, and I wish I could just thank each and every one of you or meet you guys. You know, maybe someday I can make that happen, but thank you guys for bearing with me and continuing to watch, comment, share, like all that good stuff. You guys are awesome. So I will see you guys in the unboxing of the LG V50 Thin Q. So I'll see you guys over there. Peace. Whoa, I didn't realize you were still here. Wait, what's that? You want more content? Well, why didn't you say something? Well, just click on one of the next two videos right over here, or you can follow me on one of my social media accounts, Instagram or Twitter, which I provided links for down in the description down below. All right, we good? We're squared away? Okay, go home now. I'll see you later.